It's a Christian wedding.
Nice to start a family ng kasal eh.
I asked him actually if, would you want me to take your name or gusto mo sa akin na lang? Pa 12 years na kami ni Gerald, ngayon lang siya emotional. All throughout, nagtatampo-tampo siya.
Everyone will attest that I'm gonna have a very beautiful bride. It's gonna be a very wonderful wedding by the beach.
Ang alam ko yung scares you.
It scares me if there's extra expenses that I don't know. That's the scary part.
Of course, we're very grateful to everyone na excited, natutuwa kami. The moment na nag-propose si Jen, natutuwa kami na, yay! Sa wakas, hindi sila naghiwalay. Yung ganon. So, natutuwa kami that everyone's rooting for our relationship. And we're touched that people are excited also for the wedding. And it's just, I mean, from the prenup pa lang, kasi di ba we have 2 prenups. 2 activities that we love. So I said yes to High Rocks and he said yes to a mermaid short film, which nag-thank you ako sa kanya, hinayaan niya ako kasi ako yung nag-direct noon, nag-edit noon. Yung lahat, sabi ko, para lang mag-yes siya, gagawin ko na yung lahat ng mga behind the scenes. So, tinupad niya talaga. From the prenup to the wedding, makikita niyo naman once we post it after the wedding. Like, hinayaan niya lang talaga ako.
Hindi naman. Hindi siya yung parang bahala ka na diyan.
No, yeah. So it's a group effort also. Para rin kami gumagawa ng pelikula. Yes, 100%. Everything else, it's really hinayaan niya lang ako. Kasi ang lagi sinasabi ni Je, sa akin yung proposal, sa iyo yung kasal. Lagi niyang So, natupad niya na yung pangarap niya para sa sarili niya na dream proposal daw for kung sino man papakasalan niya eh. So, it's the woman's turn naman na matupad naman daw niya yung dream simula bata.
Have to give it to the woman of your life. Now, she has to experience that wedding chills, and the romantic vibe of that. And also, I believe that if magsimula ka ng pamilya, we have to get married because it's the next step eh. I mean,
it seals the deal.
It seals the deal. It's nice to start a family ng kasal eh. Yun yung nakita namin, syempre,
Mm-hmm.
But I have nothing against with other people. It's just for us, yun yung gusto namin mangyari, So, of course, kaya rin naman namin naisip pagpakasal. It's because first, we want to build a family together. And second, you just found your partner in life. When you say your partner in life, complete package yan. Best friend, asawa, girlfriend, everything.
And it seals the deal with everything. Yan din yung question ng mommy ko. Actually, your question was actually my mom's question to my dad. Kasi my mom's very chill. Like, she's my best friend. Like, she's chill. Like, kung ano man mangyari or whatever I decide in life, she's just so supportive. But then, all throughout the process, it's actually my dad who was very emotional. So, sabi ng mommy ko, why are you so emotional? Magka-live-in naman na sila. Okay naman na. Tanggap na natin si Gerald. Matagal na. And it's the same thing that my dad said. It seals the deal and it's official. So, it's actually his dream also na yun nga, ikasal nga daw ako. Kaya, ang emotional niya kahit pa 12 years na kami ni Gerald, ngayon lang siya emotional. All throughout, nagtatampo-tampo siya. Kaya, napoles na daw ako. Ay, mawawala na yung Molina. Tapos paulit-ulit ko naman sinasabi sa kanya, well, Kim Molina pa rin naman po ako sa yung artista ko. Like, legally, of course, pag naayos ko yung papers ko, magiging napoles ako. I'll give it to him. Although, syempre ngayon, a lot of people are saying, you have a choice na hindi mo naman kuhanin yung surname. Yes, I do have a choice. But my choice is, I asked him I asked him actually if, would you want me to take your name or gusto mo sa akin na lang? Yun, hiling siya ni Je. Sabi niya, baka naman kung okay lang sa akin. Yung kumbaga hindi naman niya inimpose, but meron siyang, if okay lang sa'yo, sana, kunin mo yung apelido ko. Kunin ko naman talaga yung apelido niya. Pagkatapos ng mga process ng mga visa. Kasi ang hirap na, di ba? Kasi, pag yung passport mo, ganito, visa mo hanggang 10 years, tas muli na pa ako sa visa. Ang daming gulo-gulo. So, ibibigay ko rin yun sa kanya in the right time. Parang alam ko yung scares you.
It scares me if there's extra expenses that I don't know. That's the scary part because everything else is nice and beautiful. I have I believe and everyone will attest that I'm gonna have a very beautiful bride. It's gonna be a very wonderful wedding by the beach. Pero yung kung may biglaan tayong mga expenses, wag mo na sabihin sa akin sa March 1. March 2 na lang.
Kahit nga sa March 2 bawal kasi March 2 is his birthday.
Birthday
Actually,
ko March 2.
Kung bakit March 1 ko decide yung wedding. Never pang nag-birthday party si Je. So, ang after party ng wedding is his birthday. Mga ninong at ninang namin, actually. Lahat ng mga ninong at ninang namin. Just the other day, we went to their houses. And also last night, all of them, I just can't name them all of them kasi very, I can't say private people, but the moments that we had with our ninongs and ninangs, they're very private. But all of them, makikita nyo naman din kung sino sila. Lahat sila nag-advise sa amin. Lahat sila nag-pray over sa amin when we went to their houses, when we had their ano. And later, after this interview, dediretso kami doon sa isa pa naming ninang. So, they all made time. We all made time for each other and lahat talagang nag-a-advise. So, hindi ko masabing may pinaka nag-stand out kasi talagang iba-iba but in a way isa lang gets yung thought nila for it and their wishes, their well wishes. So, it's a Christian wedding.